Alright guys, so we're able to upload photos to an album. Now we need to display the photos in the album. So we're going to go to our photos controller. Actually, I'm sorry, our albums controller. And go down to the show function down here. And we're grabbing the album, we're passing it in. We actually don't have to do anything else here. So we're going to go to the view then, albums.show. So let's go to views, albums, and then show.blade.php. And we need to loop through all the photos just like we did with the albums. So I'm actually going to just copy from the, let's see, what is it? The albums index file. And let's grab from here. Actually, let's grab the whole thing. Everything that's in the section. And then we'll go to our show.blade and go under this HR and paste that in. And then we just need to change some things up. Now instead of doing this count albums, it's going to be album photos. And the reason we can do this is because we set the relationship between the album and the photo table. Alright, so we're going to check for that. If it's greater than 0, then we're going to go down here and we're going to count album photos. Okay, set I to 1, and let's change this ID to photos. Okay, and then we'll have our div. This is the layout's gonna be the same. We just need to change up the variables. So instead of for each albums, we're gonna do for each album photos, and that's gonna be as photo. All right, and then we're gonna change. Let's see. We're gonna change up the link. It's going to go to photos / and then photo ID. Okay, because the photos themselves will also have an individual page. And then for the image, it's going to be at storage / and remember we did photos, and then we did / the album ID. So we're going to put that in here. We can get that with photo album _ID, and we want to put a / right here. And let's see, then this is going to be not album cover image, but it's going to be photo. Oh, I keep doing that. Photo. Okay, let me wrap this text so you can see it all. Alright, and that's going to load that. And then for the alt, let's do photo title. Wow, I do that every time I write photo. Photo title. Okay, and then down here we want that to be photo title as well. Alright, and then this here, I'm just going to copy from this A tag down to the H4, copy it, and then paste that in right here. Alright, and then down here, that's fine, that's fine. Yeah, that looks good. And then we'll just change this to no photos to display if there's no photos. So let's save that and reload, and we get an error. Let's see, show.blade 17 if I equals call count, unexpected arrow. Oh, we don't have the right here, this variable doesn't have a $, this one either. So let's do that. There we go. Let's see, the image isn't showing up though. So it's coming from store. Oh, you know what? We gotta put a / right here and right here. Okay, there we go. So now any photo we upload here should show up. Let's go ahead and let's add the fox here. I think that's a fox. Submit, and there we go. If we go to city, and let's grab this one and submit. Cool. So we now have a functioning photo gallery. So in the next video, which should be the last video, we're going to make it so that we can click on a photo and it'll take us to an individual page for that photo. And we also want to add the functionality to be able to delete it. Alright, so that's what we'll be doing in the next video.